them do ya, son? Tell me what them do ya, son? Tell me what man them do ya, son? Brother, a fool man them take poor people from here. And man if you do better than this to poor people. You can't deal with poor people, son. A beer water on the road because my lad, see the water with the run. With the run, it can't go nowhere.
It is really disgrace to know that the road is working on and it's not in a drivable condition. Because according to the contractor, while the road is working on, it should be drivable at the same time. And this is not drivable at this time. And we are reaching out to the relevant authority to do something about it because it is creating a lot of havoc, especially to the vehicle, muffler, and other front end parts and the vehicle. And it shouldn't be. See, we are here. As you notice, there's great ditches in the road. The water is not running out to the sea, and only the contractor can explain this.
It wasn't like this. The water used to settle, but now it turned trench and it turned riverside and riverbed. It turned riverbed. Look on the car, them, the car, the truck, the big truck, them, they can't pass because the road terrible. The road, the China, they need to do something.